Hello, let me show you how you can improve sound quality of Redmi Buds 6. So first of all, you will have to start by opening Xiaomi earbuds application. If you are not connected, then you will have to download it from Google Play Store. And I will start from audio effects. So when you are here, be sure that you switch off this immersive sound. In my opinion, it's not good option for this device. So it's not working like on AirPods. In my opinion, this one is actually useless. So be sure that you switch this off and then go into audio balance and try to use one of the 4 presets. But if it is not working properly, if you don't feel that, if you don't hear that change, go into the custom one and try to change some frequencies up to your preferences. So just like this, you can move your finger up and down or just simply click like that. As you can see, it's not working always. Sometimes you will have to click for like few times. But yeah, you can just start listening to the music and try to adjust this to your own preferences. And if you don't have, any premium version of services like Spotify or YouTube Music, you can try to claim this one for 3 months for free. And with the Spotify Premium, you can adjust some equalizer settings. So it actually looks different for Tidal, for YouTube, for Spotify, for Deezer, but you have to just find equalizer settings on your streaming service and then try to also adjust this to your own preferences. Sometimes you are even able to increase sound quality. For example, in the YouTube Music, you will have to navigate into settings and you should get something like playback. So you have to actually get some equalizer and change it. But also there's an option to change, playback. So you can increase audio quality by selecting high, and the same for the video, for example. So be sure that you find this in your streaming service and set it up.